Boom, right out the gate, tension spikes. Officer steps up, sharp, commanding. Civilian doesn't flinch. Instead, calm, direct. Am I under arrest? That question flips the script instantly. Officer hesitates, dodges, delays, ID power shift in real time. Eyes dart. Every second counts. Routine? Forget it. This is bigger. Viewer senses it immediately. Something's about to blow. The stage is set. Stakes high.
What is your problem? Urge. Excuse me. Excuse me? What do you mean what's going on, first of all? I'm not injured at the moment, as far as I know. I need to see a doctor if I, to know if I'm injured. Am I allowed to? Am I under arrest? You're on camera, by the way.
That's great. You're on
Am I under arrest?
No. I just got
Name and badge number, please.
Where's that Adam?
Name and badge number, please. Name and badge number, please.
You'll get that in a second.
I have a right to your name and the badge number. It's department policy.
My investigation.
I will answer your question.
We're on our way to Walmart. Okay. We're on our way to Walmart because of a disturbance.
Yes.
Okay. So then someone
I'm
just
aware.
said, "Hey, these people might be involved." So I don't know what's going on. I wanted to make sure you're safe.
I'm safe.
Okay.
Name and badge number, please.
I'll give that to you.
Name and badge number,
90 West
please.
Hollywood.
Name and badge number, please, ma'am.
You'll get that in a.
Officer claims detention. But can he explain why? Vague, shaky. Civilian presses, carefully, calmly, demanding legal clarity. Mentions of disturbances, possible charges, but no solid justification. Authority cracks show. Commands fly. Hands here, feet there. Civilian stays composed. Momentum swings with every word. Audience feels it. Tension ratchets higher. This isn't just a conversation. It's chess. Every move, and every phrase, measured.
I have a right to it. It's department policy to identify.
Yeah, and I'm not done with my investigation, sir.
It doesn't mean you don't have to identify.
Yeah, how about you identify you? I'm Officer Rios, 198.
I have a First Amendment right to be filming. I have a Fourth Amendment right to be secure in my papers and not to identify to you.
So you don't want to give me your information then?
Not unless you suspect me of committing a crime, in which case I would like to know what is your...
I've given you. I'm 198,
what is your...
Officer Rios.
Thank you.
I explained to you you got a call to Walmart.
But what gives you reasonable, articulable suspicion of
Okay, can you please keep your hands out of your pocket,
Am I
sir?
detained, ma'am?
Keep your hands out of your pocket, sir.
Am I detained?
Yes, actually you are.
Okay, can I ask what crime you suspect me of
I'm not
committing?
going to get in this battle
Is a
with you,
disturbance
sir.
a suspicion?
Do you need any help?
No, I
Have you
don't.
been injured? Okay.
No, I don't need your help.
Walmart.
I don't need to answer your questions.
Okay.
I'm asking you a simple question. Is a disturbance a felony or misdemeanor?
Depends on what kind, sir.
Can you answer my question? Can you answer my question?
Yeah, actually it can be. There's varying states.
Okay, tell me what state would be a felony.
There's felony and there's misdemeanor.
Tell me what state would be felony.
We just got a call of a potential incident over there.
And was it felony or misdemeanor? I'm just asking a simple question because you're being very aggressive. You showed up being very... Yeah, you did. You told me to sit down. When you showed up, you told me to sit down.
Okay.
I don't have to sit down just because you told me to.
You don't have to sit down.
You showed up and just told me to sit down. That's what you said. Name and badge number, sir. Name and badge number, please.
My name is Officer Hernandez. My badge number is 294. Is there anything else I'm going to be out with?
Thank you very much, sir.
Are you the individual that Walmart called about?
Is there... First of... Walmart called you? First of all...
No, they flagged me down and said they were leaving Walmart and whatever altercation had occurred there. So when I asked them, I needed to make sure...
You told me to sit down first, lady.
You're right. It is officer, sir. Okay?
It's also lady.
And then I asked you to keep your hands out of your pocket. Okay?
Do I not have a right to put them in my pocket?
Actually, no. Not when we are coming from a call of a potential violent act, sir.
Of a potential violent act, that means because you pulled up to me, you have a right to tell me to I can't put my hands in my pocket, and I have to sit down on the ground.
So here's the thing: is we got a call to Walmart saying that there was a uncooperative reporting party that said that their hand was cut and was fighting with security.
Fighting with security?
Verbally fighting or whatever it may be. That's what I'm saying. So did you?
Well,
was that you,
based
you
on
cut
the
your
based
hand?
on the way I was approached, I choose to invoke my Fourth Amendment right to our Fifth Amendment right to remain silent. Fifth Amendment right to remain silent. I'm a little agitated. She came up to me very aggressively.
Tension hits the ceiling. Civilian calls it like it is. Aggressive approach, treated like a suspect from the jump. References rights, sets boundaries. Officer doubles down, safety commands, authority language. Heavy, tense, personal. You can feel it. Could escalate physically, or logic might win. Eyes lock. Breaths tighten. Every gesture counts. This is the raw face-off. Institution versus knowledge. The stakes? Your rights versus the badge.
Jumped out very aggressively, almost as if she wanted to come right at me and assault me. And then she tells me to sit down.
I'm sorry that
Well, I have it on camera, sir.
you're
Do you have a reasonable articulable suspicion of a crime to expect me to identify and violate my...
And can you please keep your hands out of your pocket, sir?
Okay, how about this? I will take everything out of my pocket so it makes you feel more comfortable,
Thank you.
and I'll put it in this other pocket here, so it's not in there. I understand that you have a risk of danger, but I also have rights, ma'am, and I do want to put my hand in my pocket at the moment.
Very well, sir.
I don't think that's an issue. All I'm asking is the reasonable articulable suspicion of a
I
crime.
already told you that.
What
We
crime?
told you, I told you.
What crime?
We told you why we were on our way to the call.
I would have been much more cooperative if you weren't very aggressive with me when you pulled up. Did I not pull over?
Actually, when I pulled up, I was trying to give the address to the location, sir.
I didn't know any of that. All I know is I seen what appeared to be you honking, and I pulled over.
Oh, actually, I never honked.
Well, I didn't know who honked. I just
No
pulled
one
over
honked,
because I
sir.
heard honking.
Yeah.
Yes, someone honked. I have it on.
I know what it was. It was the people who honked at me.
Well, regardless, when it started, I was very cooperative. I pulled over. Okay?
Yeah.
You came up very aggressive to me. That changes how I feel about the situation now. Now I want to invoke my rights because I feel like you're immediately not on my side. You're immediately not even willing to hear anything I'm saying. I'm just immediately a criminal in your eyes. You pulled up without identifying me at all, just like, this dude's guilty.
I'm sorry you felt
I
that
thought
way.
I was innocent until proven guilty.
I-
All of a sudden, I'm sitting down on the ground with an aggressive officer getting right in my
Okay, I'm
face.
sorry that-
I'm an officer. I don't have to identify you right now. It's not department policy to identify when asked. It's department policy to identify after the whole event is over, ma'am, when I'm not filming you with the camera. No, that's not the case.
Okay.
That is not department policy.
I'm not going to argue with you.
Very
If
good
you
at
have
what
more
I do in
information-
this.
If you have more information you'd like to share, I'm open to hear it.
Absolutely not respectful whatsoever of a person's constitutional rights. I have to identify because you don't have reasonable articulable suspicion of a crime. You have to at least tell me what the crime is. What is the
I
crime?
told you why you thought the public service, sir.
But what is the crime that gives you the right to force me to
An
identify?
officer-
See, my Fourth Amendment right is
Okay,
to
I'm
be
done.
secure in my
talking.
papers.
I'm just going to go ahead and stand by. Okay? You're not injured. That's kind of what it came to be. So you don't need medical attention. Actually, you did say you didn't need medical
I may or may not. I would need to see a doctor because I'm not qualified to make a decision like that, regardless of the circumstances. I'm not a doctor. All I know is I've been aggressively spoken to, like right off the bat, without you knowing anything. You just came right at me,
I'm sorry you talked about it.
sir.
Wire slowly loosens. Officers back off. Civilian remains steady, documenting, reinforcing rights. Confrontation fades into lesson. Knowledge is power. Authority can't intimidate when it's challenged legally. The impact? Psychological, raw, real. Audience left thinking. Do you know your rights, or will you fold when power looms? Lessons linger. Questions echo. And this isn't over when the camera stops. It's a reminder. Stay aware, stay calm, stay informed.